my friends, hope you're having a wonderful day. I'm very excited about this video. I am doing a collaboration with my great friend, and I apologize if I mess up your name, Akshata over at Akshata's Recipes. I love her channel and she's a sweet woman. She makes some great recipes. I'll post a link to her channel and to her recipe down below in the description box. For this collaboration, we decided to do desserts. I had no idea what she's making, but it's gonna be amazing. For our collaboration, I'm gonna make strawberry glazed cupcakes. And my friends, this recipe is thebomb.com. They're gonna be so simple and easy to make. These cupcakes would be great to make with your kids, and they'll also be a perfect back to school snack. And they'll taste like you made them from scratch. I'm Ellen, and I want to welcome all my new and returning subscribers to So grab your strawberries and your cake mix sugar, because we're about to bake some strawberry glazed cupcake magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, the first thing we're going to do is make our cake batter. In my bowl I have 1 8-ounce carton of softened mascarpone cheese. And the mascarpone cheese will make our cupcakes super moist and fluffy. It's going to work some magic. We're going to add in 2 egg whites at room temperature. I'm using the large egg whites. And 1/4 cup of canola oil. And we're going to cream all these ingredients together until they're nice and well combined. Alright my friends, our mascarpone cheese, oil, and egg whites are well combined. Look how nice and creamy that looks. Alright, that looks great. So next, we're going to add in 1 package of white cake mix, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon of almond extract, and 1 cup of evaporated milk, my favorite ingredient. And again, we're going to mix everything together until they're nice and well incorporated. Alright my friends, this is what the cake batter looks like, and it's nice and thick. Alright, that looks great. So next, we're going to scoop our cake batter into 12 cupcake liners, and we're going to fill them up 3/4 of the way up. Alright my friends, I fill up all my cupcake liners, so now we're ready to pop them in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 350-degree oven, and we're going to let them bake for about 15 to 20 minutes until they're nice and golden brown. Alright, I'll see y'all back here in a minute. Alright my friends, I have taken my cupcakes out of the oven and I let them cool, so now I put it on my cake plate. So now we're going to set these aside while we work on our luscious strawberry glaze. Alright my friends, in my bowl I have 1 16-ounce box of powdered sugar that's sifted. And we're going to add in 1/2 cup of pureed strawberries, and I use the frozen strawberries. And we're going to stir all this together until it's nice and well combined. Alright my friends, this is what our strawberry glaze look like, nice and thick, and look at that pretty pink color. Alright, that looks great. Now we're ready to frost our cupcakes. Alright my friends, there you have it, strawberry glazed cupcakes. Look how nice and pretty that looks. And I have some leftover frozen strawberries, I garnished them on top. Alright, I'm about to fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. And now for the moment of truth. Here we go. Ooh, look at that cupcake. Lord have mercy. Oh my God, these are incredible my friends. Look how nice and fluffy and moist that looks. And I love that strawberry glaze on it. Magnificent. Deserve another bite. Cupcake delicious. Wow, Akshata, I had a wonderful time doing this collaboration with you. And again, I'll post a link to her channel and to her recipe down below in the description box. My friends, thank you so much for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on the next video. Let's eat.